Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Cakecore. So if you have been mining Cakecore, the Cakecore airdrop, you see they're actually doing times two. Like if you go to your wallet now, on a normal what you'll be seeing there is not up to 100. Like if you go there you'll be seeing 160. Let's just go to my wallet. You can actually see that times two. If you look here you see it. Can you see that? And the airdrop will be ending on, you see, 3 a.m. July 28th too. The times two airdrop will be lasting from that's what started yesterday. Then it's going to last till 31st July, and that will be the end. Like airdrop, the end. I say airdrop will end. If you look here, you see. If you look close, you see airdrop. Cakecore airdrop will end at 7 a.m. on July 31st. So you need to take this thing serious. Take this advantage of times two. Now that they're actually doubling the number. Like the number is now times two. So you need to take it serious. Like once you exhaust your mining time, you click again so that you can actually accumulate. Just imagine earning 168 times 3 or 2. You can see that, like at least you are actually accumulated something now. So if you have not been mining, I'm going to drop my referral link now. So you need to start mining. This is their Twitter page. So I have to follow them. So guys, that will be all. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, that will be all for now. So if this is your first time of seeing my video here in this channel, we talk about how to make money online. I've also done a video on how to verify your Cakecore. If you go to my channel, you will see that. So hurry up guys. That will be all for now. See you soon.